Chitchat English.
I play piano.
I don't play piano.
We are students.
We are not students.
She sings a song.
She doesn't sing a song.
You read a book.
You don't read a book.
He has a car.
He doesn't have a car.
They go to the market.
They don't go to the market.
It costs money.
It doesn't cost money.
I speak English.
I don't speak English.
He likes pizza.
He doesn't like pizza.
I eat breakfast.
I don't eat breakfast.
She plays tennis.
She doesn't play tennis.
We visit the museum.
We don't visit the museum.
They swim in the pool.
They don't swim in the pool.
He studies math.
He doesn't study math.
You watch TV.
You don't watch TV.
It fits well.
It doesn't fit well.
I drink water.
I don't drink water.
She reads novels.
She doesn't read novels.
We cook dinner.
We don't cook dinner.
They travel to the city.
They don't travel to the city.
I like coffee.
I don't like coffee.
He drives a car.
He doesn't drive a car.
She writes letters.
She doesn't write letters.
We clean the house.
We don't clean the house.
They dance well.
They don't dance well.
You sing loudly.
You don't sing loudly.
It works perfectly.
It doesn't work perfectly.
I make tea.
I don't make tea.
She plays the guitar.
She doesn't play the guitar.
We watch movies.
We don't watch movies.
They visit their friends.
They don't visit their friends.
He eats lunch.
He doesn't eat lunch.
I study English.
I don't study English.
She helps her parents.
She doesn't help her parents.
We ride bicycles.
We don't ride bicycles.
They enjoy music.
They don't enjoy music.
You travel by train.
You don't travel by train.
It tastes good.
It doesn't taste good.
I go to the park.
I don't go to the park.
He reads newspapers.
He doesn't read newspapers.
She cooks meals.
She doesn't cook meals.
We write stories.
We don't write stories.
They play chess.
They don't play chess.
You eat fruits.
You don't eat fruits.
I wear glasses.
I don't wear glasses.
It rains a lot.
It doesn't rain a lot.
He takes pictures.
He doesn't take pictures.
She teaches children.
She doesn't teach children.
We listen to music.
We don't listen to music.
They visit the zoo.
They don't visit the zoo.
You clean your room.
You don't clean your room.
I plant flowers.
I don't plant flowers.
It starts at noon.
It doesn't start at noon.
He enjoys reading.
He doesn't enjoy reading.
She drinks juice.
She doesn't drink juice.
We run in the morning.
We don't run in the morning.
They study science.
They don't study science.
You play video games.
You don't play video games.
I watch cartoons.
I don't watch cartoons.
It smells nice.
It doesn't smell nice.
He goes shopping.
He doesn't go shopping.
She listens to the radio.
She doesn't listen to the radio.
We eat out on weekends.
We don't eat out on weekends.
They ride horses.
They don't ride horses.
You learn new words.
You don't learn new words.
I make breakfast.
I don't make breakfast.
It looks interesting.
It doesn't look interesting.
He plays football.
He doesn't play football.
She takes a walk.
She doesn't take a walk.
We write emails.
We don't write emails.
They sing in the choir.
They don't sing in the choir.
You enjoy hiking.
You don't enjoy hiking.
I visit the library.
I don't visit the library.
It takes time.
It doesn't take time.
She bakes cakes.
She doesn't bake cakes.
We draw pictures.
We don't draw pictures.
They watch sports.
They don't watch sports.
You swim at the beach.
You don't swim at the beach.
I study history.
I don't study history.
It helps a lot.
It doesn't help a lot.
He writes poems.
He doesn't write poems.
She dances ballet.
She doesn't dance ballet.
We play board games.
We don't play board games.
They make crafts.
They don't make crafts.
You eat dinner at home.
You don't eat dinner at home.
I listen to podcasts.
I don't listen to podcasts.
It shines brightly.
It doesn't shine brightly.
He fixes things.
He doesn't fix things.
We play basketball.
We don't play basketball.
They go to the gym.
They don't go to the gym.
You cook lunch.
You don't cook lunch.
I enjoy reading books.
I don't enjoy reading books.
It stays fresh.
It doesn't stay fresh.
He drives to work.
He doesn't drive to work.
She draws well.
She doesn't draw well.
We visit relatives.
We don't visit relatives.
They clean the garden.
They don't clean the garden.
You listen to music.
You don't listen to music.
I practice yoga.
I don't practice yoga.
It breaks easily.
It doesn't break easily.
He goes to the doctor.
He doesn't go to the doctor.
We write in a journal.
We don't write in a journal.
They watch TV shows.
They don't watch TV shows.
I learn new skills.
I don't learn new skills.
It shows results.
It doesn't show results.
She plants trees.
She doesn't plant trees.
I exercise regularly.
I don't exercise regularly.
It grows fast.
It doesn't grow fast.
He reads fiction.
He doesn't read fiction.
She goes jogging.
She doesn't go jogging.
We have picnics.
We don't have picnics.
They attend classes.
They don't attend classes.
You make jewelry.
You don't make jewelry.
It lasts long.
It doesn't last long.